gamers, and welcome to part 2 of the Japanese build. Hope you really enjoyed the last one, so well, let's get into it. I mainly base this on the terrain and the interior, and I don't really do much of the actual outside of the build today. Alright, well, let's get into it. I start by adding a nice path leading up to the build. I then add some nice custom cherry blossom trees to match the Japanese style. I then convert the sand path leading up to the build into stone. I then textured it with different types of stone. Once this is done, we can now move on into the interior. I start by making a big hole and covering it up with some stone brick. I then start making a kind of indoor-outdoor kind of bit in the corner. I then put some water in it for some nice detail. I then put a pink glass barrier around it. I then start messing around with the interior, trying to find the right kind of design for it. This definitely took way more than 5 tries, because this took me about an hour to try and figure out the right design, and trust me, it was hurtful. Just so you know, I'm very bad at interiors, so don't expect anything from interiors. Expect more with terrain and the outside of a build. I then finally find the right design by putting an archway in the middle and then crossing one over in between. I'd also like to ask, what other games do you want me to play? Would you like me to play some Among Us? Would you like me to just make some different Minecraft videos? What would you like me to do? Comment down below. Once this is done, I then get some structure void blocks, which basically make blocks float. I then place them in a row going upwards. And then start placing ladders on them. And then I boringly placed the flooring. Oh, and I am very sorry for making you watch this part because it is so boring. And with that, the build is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider maybe subscribing and liking. Hit that bell button below, and remember, comment what you would like me to play. I will be very interested, so just let me know, and I guess that's me out. Thank you so much for watching. This is my second video and it's done really well, so I guess this is Won't Go Gaming over and out.